How to set English language in your laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the language of your keyboard in your PC. So let us get started. First of all, simply search for keyboard in your search bar. And after you search for keyboard, you will get redirected to your settings. So let me search for it. You will see the on-screen keyboard option too. And after you search for keyboard, you will see edit language and options. This is the one that you want. Tap on it and open it up. Now after you open it up, you will see preferred languages. Now here you'll need to add a language. Now just select a language here, whichever you want. Now I already have two languages installed, so just choose one. And after you choose one, tap on next and you can simply install it. And there you can see I have two languages in my settings. Now to change that, I can simply go down here, tap on one and use select this. Now here you will see you can change it with the Windows plus spacebar keys too. So as you can see, I'm doing it right now. So yeah, it's that simple guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.